Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the update on Bitcoin Cash. Price of Bitcoin Cash is now retesting this next downtrend and support. Recently, we were following this breakout from this downtrend and resistance, and we also broke out this very long-term uptrend and resistance as well. But after the breakout, it was rejected by this very strong long-term resistance of $400. That was also recently working at a very, very strong support here for several weeks. Before that, was working at the resistance here as well. And now after the breakdown, it was again flipped into a resistance. We got rejection and we broke down this up trend line support. And now we are retesting this down trend line resistance as support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel. And on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that Bitcoin Cash has already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. This is the falling wedge pattern, by the way, this one. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for PITE, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like here. This is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 20th of Feb 2025 with my members. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin Cash. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was getting rejected by this long-term downtrend at resistance since after 5th of December 2024. And here recently we broke it out. After the breakout, the price got rejected by this next long-term resistance of $400. That was recently working as a very, very strong support here for several days or weeks. Before that was working as a resistance here. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $400 has been previously working as a resistance support here. And before that, it was also working as a resistance here and support here for several weeks or months. And therefore now, again, it can work. It is working as a very, very strong resistance after the breakdown. And after this recent rejection by this long-term resistance of $400, now we have again broken down this very significant uptrend and resistance. By the way, on the 7 day time frame chart, so far the price and could not break out this uptrend and resistance. That was just a spike, but on the daily time frame chart, we broke it out, and now we have again broken it down, and now we are also retesting this downtrend line resistance as a support. In case of a successful retest, we can see another attempt to break out this long-term uptrend line resistance and this resistance of $400 as well. And in case of breaking out this $400, the next resistance will be here at $500. And if the price breaks it out, then again, it can hit this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $700 and goes to $800. And by the way, this resistance zone, approximately at $700, is also the target for the breakout from this previous down channel as well. Because that after the breakout, we had a nice rally, but the price could not hit that target so far. That was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $700. And if we take a look at the 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that this $700 to $800 is a very, very strong resistance zone that was previously working as a resistance zone here, resistance zone here, resistance zone here, and resistance zone here as well. Now here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very massive rally, but still the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $1,600 to $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.